If you are eager to discover the art of placing keywords strategically for SEO content writing, then this lecture is just for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today we are delving deep into the world of keywords placement and understanding where to strategically position keywords for achieving top rankings in search result and search engines. Keywords are the compass that guides both users and search engines to your content. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. The power of strategic keyword placement. Keywords hold immense power in the world of SEO. They are the words and phrases that connect your content with the audience seeking it. But the key is in knowing where to place these keywords strategically. Now, let's learn the specifics of where to strategically place keywords to boost your SEO rankings. First, we have the title tag, your headline's magic. The title tag is your headline, the first thing users see on the search results page. Your primary keyword should shine brightly here. For example, if you are writing about travel destinations, a title like Exploring Exotic Travel Destinations does wonders. Got it? Now, in the beginning, the opening paragraphs. Imagine your content as a journey. Begin with your keyword in the opening paragraphs. Search engine pays special attention to the introduction, so make it count. If you are sharing insights on tech trends and your keyword is latest gadgets, ensures it's right there from the start. Got it? Now, heading hierarchy, structured organization. Heading structure your content, making it more reader friendly. Each heading is like a chapter title for search engines. If you are into fitness tips and your keyword is workout routines, a heading like effective workout routines for beginners organizes your content effectively. Next, we have crafting a keyword friendly URL. Your URL should be clear and keyword friendly. It aids both search engines and users in understanding the content. For example, makblogs.com/SEO tips/placing keywords is concise and tells a story. Now, the art of meta descriptions. Your meta descriptions is a teaser of your content. Make it compelling. Suppose you are running a cooking blog with the keyword healthy recipes. A meta description like discover wholesome and delicious healthy recipes entices readers. Next, we have optimizing images. Remember to optimize your images by using keyword rich files name. Got it? For instance, if you are a food blogger featuring Italian pasta, name the image Italian pasta recipe.jpg instead of something generic like image123.jpg. This boosts SEO and helps search engines understand your content better. Next, we have LSI keywords, the supporting cast. LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords, are like supporting actors in a movie. They provide depth and context to your content. If your keyword is digital marketing, LSI keywords like content strategy, online advertising and social media engagement enrich your content. Got it? Now, next we have contextual excellence. LSI keywords gives your content context. When Google identifies these related terms, it comprehends your content better. If you are writing about home decor, LSI keywords like interior design, furniture arrangement and color schemes showcase your expertise. Got it? Seamless integration. While crafting your content smoothly blend in your primary keyword and LSI keywords, this ensures natural flow in your writing, making it a pleasurable read for your audience while maintaining clarity for search engines. Next we have multitasking images. Don't neglect your images. Add your primary keyword to the image alt text. This enhances accessibility and supports image searches. If you are a food blogger, an image of a delectable fish could have alt text like mouth-watering Italian pasta recipe. Next we have weaving internal links. Internal links are essential. However, it's best not to use your primary keyword directly as anchor text, as this can potentially harm your SEO efforts. Instead, opt for relevant anchor text that provides context to the linked content. For example, if your keyword is digital marketing, consider linking it to an article with anchor text like "Learn more about effective online promotion strategies." Don't worry, we will explore the topics of internal linking and anchor text in more detail in our upcoming lectures. Now, stay updated in the ever-evolving SEO landscape. Remember, SEO is ever-changing. Keep up with the latest trends. Fresh content is a favorite of Google, and your audience deserves the best. In conclusion, we can say that placing keywords smartly is not just about ranking high. It's about connecting your content with those seeking it. Got it? Now, stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will explore advanced SEO content writing techniques for maximizing your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 26, where we explored where to strategically place keywords for top ranking in SEO content writing. If you are seeking professional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.